While the city sleeps, somebody's already on the road. Headlights cutting through the darkness, picking up people they may never know. No spotlight, no applause, just another destination, and another person counting on you. 5 in the morning, another day begins. Coffee in the cup, turn the engine again. Nurse on the night shift, ready to go home. Construction worker up before the dawn. Teacher needs a ride, student running late. Someone's got an interview that could change their fate. You pull to the curb and unlock that door, helping people reach what they're working for. You may never know what that ride could mean. You're part of somebody else's dream. One destination, 1 mile at a time, keeping the whole city moving down the line. For every early morning, for every late night ride, for every stranger you welcomed and carried safely by your side. This one's for you. Here's to the Uber driver, keeping this world in motion. Through the rain, through the night, through the traffic and commotion, getting us to work, getting us safely home. When somebody needs a ride, you make sure they're not alone. So here's to the Uber driver, every woman, every man. You might call it just another ride, but you're helping everywhere you can. Last call downtown, it's 2:15. Somebody knows they're in no shape to cruise. They make one smart choice and reach for the phone, and you're the reason they make it safely home. Airport at sunrise, suitcase in the back. Family vacation, business traveler pack. Grandma needs a ride to see family today. Young couple headed on their getaway. First date, nervous wedding day smile. Sometimes you're there for life's biggest miles. Hospital entrance, somebody needs care, and when they needed transportation, you were there. Sometimes it's more than a ride. Sometimes someone is scared. Sometimes someone is stranded. Sometimes someone just needs to know somebody's coming. Missed bus, midnight, pouring rain. Long day at work and they're feeling drained. Flight got delayed and the train stopped running. They look at their phone and see your car coming. You don't know their story, they don't know yours. Two strangers brought together when you open those doors. Maybe you share a laugh, maybe you give advice. Maybe 5 minutes of kindness make somebody's whole night. That's the part nobody measures, that's the part nobody sees. The human being behind the wheel, helping strangers reach what they need. So thank you to the drivers working sunrise, to the drivers working midnight, to the drivers driving weekends when everybody else is having a good time, to the mothers behind the wheel, to the fathers chasing dreams, to the students making extra money, to the entrepreneurs building something bigger than it seems. Every pickup has a person, every destination has a reason, and through every mile and every season, you keep moving. Here's to the Uber driver, keeping this world in motion. Through the rain, through the night, through the traffic and commotion, you get us to our jobs, you bring our loved ones home. And when somebody needs a ride, you make sure they're not alone. Here's to the Uber driver for the miles nobody sees, for helping total strangers get where they need to be. So the next time the car pulls up, before you hurry on your way, look at the person behind that wheel, and don't forget to say thank you. For every mile, every night, every safe ride home, every time somebody needed you when you showed up, this one's for you.